This is tip 14 for GrowThyme. Today's video is all about raised beds. What is a raised bed? It's these little things here sticking out of the ground. This is a type of gardening where usually the soil is raised above the ground and it's enclosed in some kind of way. You can create raised beds from various materials, like really it's about the imagination. You can recycle things at home too, but most of the time people use different types of wood. And you can also make it a little enclosure, so it's like a mini greenhouse. Like the opportunities are endless. Now, why do we need to use raised beds in our garden? There are actually various reasons, and they are all benefits really. It helps control the weeds in your garden. You have better water retention in areas that have super sandy soil and better drainage in areas with clay soils. Your plants are more accessible to you and it's aesthetically pleasing as well. Like, doesn't that look nice? You can extend your growing season because in summer it warms up faster, and when it starts to cool down it takes a bit slower to cool down the soil. And then finally, it also helps with the management of all kinds of pests and diseases that you find in your garden. When I tried to Google the following, I found various articles suggesting various things, but here is something that you can look at when you are wondering how deep you should plant each of your fruits, because it really depends on the fruit itself and experiment. Like, gardening is all about experiments, so just experiment and see how it goes. There are some disadvantages to doing this, but it's not much. It's basically two. The one is the initial construction just takes a little bit of time, and the other one is water. This will dry out a little bit faster than just not having a raised bed, so that just means you need to just water your plants a little bit more often. And there you have it, raised beds. That's basically all the information you need. And remember, I do have a website. I am a little bit behind in posting all my tips on the website, but I will follow that up weekly if I don't get through to it every single day. And my website is available to use to anyone for free with all kinds of handy dandy gardening tips. Happy planting!